Hey YouTube, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change out the document feed rollers on a Xerox VersaLink C415. First thing you're going to want to do is open up this top cover. In the top you'll see the feed roller assembly, and in the bottom you'll see the separator roll. Now the separator roll is pretty easy to get out. It's got tangs on both sides of it, and you'll squeeze those with your fingers and roll that assembly up and pull it straight up and out, and there's your separator roll. All right, to go back in with the separator roll, very simple. You have flat sides on the two little tangs. They go straight down into their holes in the bottom, and you'll lean it back onto the spring and give it a good push and a snap, just like that. On the top roll, it's a little bit more difficult. So you have an orange handle to the rear of the machine. You will lean out of its hole and swing that orange handle out, and then you'll pull that orange handle straight out and away from the lid. On the other side of the assembly is a black plastic dowel. Lean the whole assembly out of the housing, and there is your document feeder roll. Now to go back in with this, you have to be very careful. First thing you're going to insert is that black dowel into the hole on the housing on the front side. You kind of lean that into its hole, and then you will swing until that orange handle goes into its little slot on the back of the housing, and then you'll want to make sure that the rollers are not leaned forward like that. You want them leaned up. And so you'll put your orange piece in the housing, and then you'll swing your orange handle down and clip it in place like that. And then I like to click that, and that's it. You'll just close the top cover and you're ready to rock and roll. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same product, click here. If you'd like to see more videos on printer content, like and subscribe.